NARGESA presents the new MC150B bending machine, another surefire bet. We'll show you the secrets of how to carry out a good bend with different types of pipes and profiles. To bend a bar along the flat side, place rollers number 3 and number 5 fully adjusted. Then place the washer number 2 and the nut number 1. Lower the top handle until it contacts with the material. Move the machine to the right and lower the handle, always without load, without pressing directly on the metal bar. Move the machine to the left and repeat the process until reaching the required bending radius. To bend the bar along the edge, the same rollers are required as for the flat side. It's only necessary to adapt the opening between the rollers to the size of the material. Different rings of the same size can be made starting from a 6-meter bar and then cutting them. Bend a square section bar, use roller number 4 on the side of the material to be bent. Then introduce roller number 5, the washer and the nut. Fix the square or rectangular bar and adjust the nut by hand. The machine has side correction rollers for straightening the profile if necessary. To bend a round bar of different diameters, use the same rollers as for the square bar and carry out the same bending process. Bend a square or rectangular tube, combine and adjust rollers number 5 and number 4 to the size of the tube. Tighten the nut by hand, never with a spanner, because on bending the tube expands and could be damaged. Easy execution of the bending operation of the U profile inwards and outwards. bend a T profile, place roller number 5 with the shoulder inwards and roller number 3 with the round edge inwards on the 2 lower axles. The placing of the upper rollers is totally flat, without a gap, with rollers number 3 and 5. If the profile to be worked is at an angle, the assembly of the rollers is the same as for a T profile. Always use the 2 side corrector rollers to straighten the profile and obtain a good bend. To bend pieces in stainless steel, aluminium, brass or delicate materials, NARGESA makes rollers in susterin, which facilitate good bending without contaminating the material. If the tube to be bent is small, we machine 2 channels on the same roller. For round metal tubes, we make rollers of steel tempered to 58 Rockwell, which facilitate bending. Every measure of tube must be very well adjusted to its channel to obtain the best result. We make rollers for special profiles. When large radii have to be bent, or there are height problems in the workshop, the machine can be tilted to facilitate the operative's work. All of our machines are made to strict quality controls. 3 years guarantee. Our commercial team can organise transport to any country in the world. Visit us at www.nargesa.com.